guys, this is Lamyaa and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and everyone is safe at their home. So guys, today is its third day of Eid, and as I'm in Islamabad, if you have watched like my previous videos, in that you must have the idea, due to the lockdown in Islamabad, so I was not able to explore so many things over here. So अब हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम जाएंगे कलाम. तो बेसिकली उसकी ड्राइव है तकरीबन 6 घंटे फ्रॉम इस्लामाबाद. सो हम लोग सुबह 7 बजे निकल चुके हैं यहाँ से. एंड सो लेट्स सी कैसी हमारी जर्नी जाती है. सो राइट नाउ आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट. सो वी विल हैव द ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन वी विल गो अलॉन्ग. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. Alright guys, so now we are just done with the breakfast and now we are heading to Kalam, and Kalam is all about basically lakes, rivers and mountains. So it is the very first time I'm going over there and I'm very super excited. So I'll just show you around that how much greenery is there in Islamabad. Alright guys, so as I told you that Kalam is almost 6 hours away from Islamabad. So we have just stopped by in between. There is a service center over here जहाँ पर there is like coffee, tea and everything is available. तो हम यहाँ पर अभी रुके हैं to get some water, to get some tea and and उसके बाद हम दोबारा जाएंगे. And अभी जो हमारा distance रह गया है that is for about 4 hours. Okay guys, so now after for having some tea, so we have resumed our journey again, and now we are like 4 hours away from the destination from Kalam. And यहाँ पर हम लोग ज़्यादा देर रुके इसलिए नहीं थे because the time is precious and we wanted to reach to our destination by 3 to 4 o'clock. So if we face any problem over there due to lockdown, so we can just figure it out easily. So guys, as you know about the situation, so I would just like to give you a tip. Although जो रास्ते में there are a lot of service centers where you can get everything, but it's good if you carry all the things with yourself, like little bit snacks or little any of your safety gear. So finally over here, after a long 7 hours journey, हमें ये beautiful नज़ारे देखने को मिले. And honestly the journey was not really easy. हमें रास्ते में बहुत सारी check posts से गुज़रना पड़ा due to the situation. तो बहुत सारी restrictions थी, but luckily हमें chance मिल गया to visit this amazing place over here. So guys, honestly, when we first entered over here, I was like unable to believe that this is real, because it was so extremely beautiful. Like you see mountains in front of you, you see the sun in front of you, and the mountains are fully covered with greenery, and then you see this water flowing from mountains, which was so unreal for me to see. So finally, after 8 hours, we finally reached to our destination, and this beautiful resort is going to be our home for the next 3 days. So now I'm heading towards my room over here, and almost जो journey थी हमारी वो काफ़ी long थी, as हम लोग सुबह 7 बजे से निकले हुए थे, and अभी जो time हो रहा है वो बज रहे हैं शाम के 5. So it was a pretty long journey. So now I am heading towards my room, और क्या कहते हैं, this is the full view of this hotel, and of course मैं आपके साथ और भी चीज़ें शेयर करती रहूँगी. So guys, for now I'm ending this vlog, and if you really enjoyed watching this video, so please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're watching my video for the first time, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow me on my Instagram, because now I post a lot of stuff over there as well. So guys, for now I will just rest in my room, and from tomorrow early morning I will start exploring this beautiful place, and of course I'll be making a lot of videos also. So stay tuned for the next episode, and till then please take care of yourself and others around you.